शमा जिस आग में जलती है नुमाइश के लिए, हम उसी आग में गुमनाम से जल जाते हैं.
Hi, hello, salam. I didn't finish off the video yesterday. We were too tired, too hungry. Yeah, just chilled, lazed about, relaxed, talked. Kuch baatein kahin nahi jati. That's why they weren't recorded. Yesterday it was very therapeutic. It was fun. We had bare jokes. Today's the last day. Everyone's sleeping late because we did go to sleep a bit fairly late. We are going to chill today, and then the fishes that we caught. It's not fishes with an S. It's the fish that we caught, about 20 of them. We're gonna try and gut them out and either put them in the oven or fry them. Yeah, so that's something we're gonna try today. None of us done it before, so it'll be fun. And yeah, so today's just gonna be chilling, relaxing, and then it'll be time to go home. Alhamdulillah, second day breakfast is complete and I'm stuffed. Jack Sparrow in the house.
The fat one.
He's the fat one. We are prepping to zobo our fish that we caught yesterday. Should be fun. Please comment below how to gut and cook a dab, please.
Be careful.
Do it the other way then. Do it towards you. Yeah, Siraj.
What? I can't even open it.
You got the cutter.
No, Jay's got it out.
Okay, why don't we make it easier and cut the head off first?
No, but that's not how we done it. Done it.
Yeah, but still, it's about getting the ball out, isn't it?
Yeah.
If I destroy the big one.
Did you see me?
I'll just, yeah,
Because it's a mask.
Middle two cut by me. And the other two is cut by Jay. Alhamdulillah, fish is going on the fryer. Inshallah, it will be tasty. This is the goodbyes time. I want to thank my family.
Wallah. Thank you, Bex. Thank you, Dilwa. Without you guys, we would not have been able to have this trip.
Yes, that is correct. We wouldn't have had so much fun with your money.
I had a turn.
No, seriously, thank you guys. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Hold on, no, we're joking, Ad. Come on. But anyways, I want to say thank you to Shiraz. I want to say thank you to Ahad.
And Janelle.
I want to say thank you to Jay because and myself for making videos of our weekend away.
It's been fun. Back to reality.
Back to reality, and then look forward to the next one. So catch you on the next one. Peace.